We have multiplication of two binomials. Why? Because we have two terms in the first parenthesis and two terms in the second parenthesis. So this is equal. How we have to do? We have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis. So we have to multiply x squared times this whole term in parenthesis, x squared minus 4y. And next we have positive 3y. We need to multiply by every term in the second parenthesis. So let me copy this. And now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means we have to multiply every term in the parenthesis by x squared in the first expression and in the second expression also. So we have x squared times x squared, and now positive times negative. When we don't have sign, is always positive, so will be positive times negative is negative. X squared times 4y, and next we have plus positive 3y times x squared, so will be 3y times x squared. We have to multiply every expression in parentheses now by 3y. And positive times negative give me negative. We have 3y times 4y. So this is equal multiplication, the same base. So we copy the base and we have to add exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus, first we have x squared times 4y. First we have to write the number, and next in the alphabetic order, so variables, so will be x squared, next will be y. And again we have positive expression and we have only 3, so we copy number. Next we have y times x squared, so first I will put x in the alphabetic order and next y. And we have negative 3 times 4 is 12, y times y is y squared y. We have the same base, so we copy the base and we have to add exponents. And if we don't have exponents, always invisible 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is equal. Now we have to check if we have like terms. We have x squared y, x squared y. So these two terms are like terms. So we have to copy x to 4th power, and now we have negative 4x squared y plus 3x squared y. So negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. How we do this? We copy the sign of the larger number. 4 is larger than 3, so it will be negative. And now 4 minus 3 is 1. And we copy the rest, x squared y. And we have minus 12y squared. So this is equal when we multiply by 1. It doesn't change anything, so we don't have to write this 1. So we will copy again this whole expression from the beginning, x to 4th power minus x squared y minus 12y squared. This is my solution.